never watched it.
Hoak. JC.
Emang iya?
Enggak, woy.
Kamu nge-tweet berapa kali sebulan?
No.
You're always hungry.
Dia lagi
makan gak sih? Bener dong. Bener, yeay.
1, 2, 3. You're a 10 but you kept asking of
Of you still be loved if you were. Wah, dia ngomong ke Kak Onil. Kak Indah selalu ngomonginnya ke Kak Onil ya, pasti, wah pas.
Harus dipencet dulu. You're a 10 but
You take naps when life gets hard. Benar. You're a 10 but there is no but, you're a 10. Wow. Kamu you're a 10 but you got trust issues. You're a 10 but you're emotionally unavailable. Gak bisa.